I feel the waves cut through me.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae EXO, and I'm back with another video. So I know first, before I even get this video started, y'all are probably looking like, Deja, why do you have on a full face of makeup? So if you're subscribed to my channel and are one of my true subscribers, you would know that I just dropped a video of this makeup look on my channel. So if you haven't seen that video already, go check it out. It was a beginner friendly full face, basically. I only used 3 eyeshadows and a glitter, and it looks bomb. So if you haven't already checked that video out, make sure you go check it out after this video or before this video. You can pause this video, then go to that video, then come back to this video, and then press play. It's whatever y'all want to do, but just make sure you go check that video out. So anyway, let's get into what this video is about. So as you can tell by the title and why you clicked on this video, I am doing a hair review for NADULA Hair Company. And I don't have the packaging, y'all. I'm sorry, but I will insert a clip here of how the packaging looks, because I had this hair for about a month now, so this is like a month update hair review. I've had it for a minute and I don't know why I'm just not doing a hair review, but whatever. Yeah, so I got this hair from NADULA Hair Company, and this is their Brazilian body wave in the inches, I think 14, 16, 18. That's okay. So I have a 14, 16, 18 bundles and then a 12-inch closure. And so their closures are pretty long too. Like, the closure comes to my shoulder, but it still gives it that layered look, so I didn't have to do too much layering, which I'm happy about because I didn't want to cut it anyway. But you know, you got to get them flips and dips and all that. So let's start with the shipping. So I ordered this hair on a Tuesday and I got it on that Saturday or Sunday. I can't remember. I know it was the weekend though. So it took about 4 to 5 days to get here, which is good, because I know when I'm ordering something, I don't like waiting for it, because if it's too long, I'm gonna forget I ordered it. But then again, I'll be happy because I'm like, oh my god, I forgot I ordered this. Well, anyway, it took 4 to 5 days to get here. But yes, this is a full lace closure wig that I constructed myself. And for the closure, I bleached the knots and tinted the lace, and I cut it a little bit so it stops about at the bottom of my bra, but it's still pretty long to say I cut it. As you can tell, I dyed it myself. I bleached it to like a honey blonde color, and then I used the Adore company, and I used, like, I think I used cherry red, violet, and it was one more color, but it was like a bright purple. I don't know, but I mixed those 3 together, put it on the bleached hair, and this is what I got. So I'm pleased with the color. The closure matched the bundles fairly well. It's a little bit redder than the bundles, but that's all good. Oh yeah, I plucked the closure myself a little bit too. It came pre-plucked, but I just plucked it a little bit just because I like to pluck all of my closures and units just to make sure it's perfect. So I didn't have to pluck too much because it was already pre-plucked, like I said, and it wasn't a very dense closure, which I like. I don't like really dense closures because it looks unnatural with all of this hair right at the top of your head. Like, it just doesn't look natural to me. So I like to pluck my closures and get them not too dense. But yeah, so the shine that you see is the natural shine of the hair. I'm a person, I don't put any oils in my hair. If you watch my last hair reviews, you know that I don't put anything in my hair. I don't put any products in my hair besides shampoo, conditioner, and heat protectant when I put heat on it, of course. But I don't put any like oil sheen, hairspray, olive oil, whatever you can name. I don't put anything on my hair. So This shine that you see is its natural shine and luster, and it's like super shiny. Not super shiny to where it looks synthetic, but shiny enough to where it looks like it's not dry. And this hair takes heat very well, and it holds the curl very well. These are 4-day-old wand curls. Can you believe it? 4 days? Like, what? 4 days. Just when I go to sleep, I just put flexi rods in them, and in the morning I take them out and brush through it, and boom, this is what I got. It straightens very well as well. When I straighten it, I might make a video showing you guys how it looks after I straighten it, but it straightens very well. I'm trying to think what else I could say about this hair. Shedding, I get a few strands here and there, just because when I made this, I'm guessing it's just because when I made this unit, I cut some wefts closer to the top just so that my closure can lay flat and my wig can lay flat and all of that. So that might be the reason for shedding. And also I bleached the hair as well, so maybe that's another reason for the shedding. But for the most part, it doesn't shed too much. Matting and tangling, like I said, well, I didn't say, but it's been pretty chill in Statesboro. It hasn't been too hot, so I haven't been sweating, so the hair hasn't been sticking to my neck or anything like that. So I haven't been, I would say, matting and tangling, nah, not really. We'll see what it looks like when it starts warming up down here, but as right now, nah, nothing major. What else can I say about this hair? I didn't have to contact NADULA Hair about this, so I don't know how their customer service is. Not sure how they are, how fast they get back to you, their response rate and all of that. I don't know because I haven't contacted them. So if you're looking at this video to find out how their customer service is, I'm sorry. I really don't have anything else to say. I think I hit everything for the most part. This is just a little small hair review. If you guys want me to show y'all how I got these curls or anything else about this hair, if you have any questions about the hair, you can link it down below and I will surely answer you with no problem. If you want to know exactly what hair dyes I used, I will drop them in the description box below. So anything I didn't mention in this video, just check the description box because I probably answered it down there. Yeah, I'm having a brain fart right now. I can't think of nothing else, so I'm just going to go ahead and end this video. As always, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that post notification bell. Make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to watch my videos. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you do something, just something. Make sure you, I don't know, something. But I will wrap this on up and I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, and if you haven't seen this makeup look, make sure you go check it out now. This is just a reminder, just in case you was like, okay, I'm gonna wait until after I watch this video to go watch that one. So this is your reminder to go and watch that video now, so go watch it now. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.